Welcome to my Exploring Adventure Show. On this episode, we see... On this week's episode, we see amazing views. I do. What? Think of something Lloyd said that was very. That was so fucking hilarious. I complicate. I figure out incredibly hard tax equations.
Come on. Gather it before you say it.
And I'll pass this section on to Al.
What have I got to do it?
Yeah.
On this week's episode, Lloydie cries. Johnny files our tax returns. Johnny Norton, head of customer service. I throw a tile off a roof.
Terrible. Hi guys. Today we're in the Welsh countryside. Yeah, we're in the Welsh countryside. We're joined by these two guys. Yeah, I know. Yeah, we're in the Welsh countryside and we're going to be checking out. What's this fucking hotel called? It grows out your fucking head. It doesn't grow out your hair. So if you get your ends cut, it don't do fuck all. Your hair doesn't grow out of hair. Your hair grows out your head.
This is a how-to on how to grow your hair.
No, it's not.
Hell on earth.
What's this fucking hotel called?
I don't know. Hotel Wales. That's a nice hoodie you've got there, Norton.
I was thinking the other day, right? I'm a good driver, mate.
Were you?
Because if you think about it, right, my brakes have failed at 60 down a country road. Didn't crash.
There's not to do with luck in that then, no?
No, that's just good driving.
Yeah.
Al, they broke because you are a bad driver.
I think this place is a proper shit tip. Also wood.
Oh, cool. Is this how you check in?
You know what's really weird, Norton? Norton, you know what's really weird? This hotel.
What the fuck? Is this stone?
This hotel.
These are stone.
Alright, it's fucking stone. This hotel is out in the middle of nowhere and it's trashed.
This is actually really cool.
Is it?
What? Yeah.
Oh, whoa.
Look at this, man.
Oh, shit.
The battle paint has been in, or is that mould?
I think that's mould.
Look at this shit, man. This is legit.
Whoa, they've got a right view out our window.
Oh, that's sick.
You are?
Who knows that they're in a big... Oh, there's a pheasant.
Oh, what?
Is that a pheasant?
Have you seen what shit people have thrown off here?
Oh.
We're going to have some right fun when cameras are off. Oh, shit.
I'm going to throw you off it. This place looks like they were renovating it and then they like ran out of money and just thought, you know what? Fuck this. We're going to England. I'm ready for you.
What was that, Norton?
Take me. Take me to places I've never been.
Take me home. You say it on watches as well in case I just disregard your footage.
No.
Oh, whoa, look at that view. Yeah. Making me cringe this floor. So is this not actually like a lot of it not wrecked, it's just halfway done up?
This was the shower room.
Yeah, it's got tiles. I don't think they had an entire room dedicated to showers. I think that was the shower section of the room.
Aye.
I don't like that floor. You going upstairs, Norton?
Yeah. That don't work, that flew at work. Wish I could turn. There is the light of God. It is the light of God.
Look, carpets looks like it's been shredded by Wolverine.
What has happened to this shower? Awesome. Someone with really long toenails has been walking up.
Whoa, oh my god! This is the best roof we've ever been on. Holy shit! That's without a doubt one of the best fucking... This beats the dome roof for me.
We need to climb that mountain. Oh, we've actually got a name of the hotel. We found a name. I'll wait to tell you.
You'll wait to tell me.
No, you don't mean I'll wait to tell you. You mean I can't pronounce it, so I'll let you read it yourself.
Brynmorfeed Hotel and Golf Club.
I was going to say it's a golf club, but where the fuck's a golf?
There, that's where all sheep are.
Material. I've got
What are you trying to do?
I want to get it in the bath.
What are you playing?
But it's like a proper. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Be careful,
Holy
Jonathan.
sheep shit.
Oh, that was an odd game.
Oh, you're terrible. That wasn't me.
No, a bit of it went in. I was
You
the only
shit
one that didn't
bastard.
get it in first time.
That's
What a
what she
wanker.
said.
Right, come on, let's go in now. Come on. Come on. It's cold.
Oh my god, never guess what's in there.
Nothing.
No, there actually is like a big fucking like tub of water.
What's that film where?
Oh yeah, that film.
No, it's like that hotel, and it's on fire.
Oh, The Shining.
Hotel Trivago.
It's on fire, right? And like, there's loads of people like trapped between like the middle floor and the top floor. And what they do is they go to the top floor and there's like a massive like water tank for all the. It's a hotel.
Yeah.
And they put like a fucking hole in it and like flood the whole building. And everyone has to like tie themselves to stuff because it's like a fucking river.
Oh, Sharknado 2.
Fuck's sake.
I ain't got a
Well,
clue.
Whoever knows what that film is, please fucking tell me because there's a massive tub of water and I just wanted to throw it down here.
Is this Pat and Paisley?
How we fucking heard you? There's actually a fire exit at this side.
God, these floorboards are horrible.
Yeah, I know. It's so sketchy.
You couldn't.
They're all just empty, aren't they? They're all just empty rooms. The only saving grace of this hotel is the view.
Oh, look at this! Look at this bit of Welsh fucking architecture.
Where's that go?
What?
Oh yeah. If you're running out because there's a fire, you just fucking twat your head on it.
And then you've got a. Can't go down them steps. Yeah.
Oh, let's go to the front because this is the front, innit?
Yes.
Oh, I don't know whether this is the front.
We down this hole.
It looks shit.
It must be front.
You think the sign would be on the
What?
front?
The sandblasted all that? Because it'll have been fucking.
That stuff.
Yeah. What is it called? Fucking rendered.
Oh yeah.
Jesus Christ.
Holy shit.
It's just seen better days, hasn't it? Looks pretty cool though.
It does look fucking cool. But hang on a minute, there's stuff in here. Chairs and stuff. Mattresses. This is so weird, this place.
Hang on, lads. I've got to do a bit. Got to just send a few emails.
Johnny Norton, head of customer service.
Holy shit, you should see the oven. Is that an oven?
Plenty of stuff in here. Whoa, look at this Arga.
Oh, is it an Arga? Is that what it is?
That Arga's seen some action in its time. Look at this. You got your Morgan Freeman.
Morgan Freeman.
What is it? George Formby, whatever they're called. It's got your Morgan Freeman.
The famous Morgan Freeman lean mean fat reducing grilling machine.
That's the one.
Yeah.
This is the murder room. We've never been in here.
I know we've never been in here.
Well, stop.
This is what exploring is now, and going places where you've never been.
Really? Oh my god.
Is this a hall?
To you.
Holy shit!
To you. To you.
Is that the bar?
No, it's the bar. Is that a piano that's been
Oh my god, hell yeah, let's get this fucking place back in business. Fuck a bro.
Do you like that?
That was
Al?
really fun.
That was like,
do it
that
again.
sounded like a harp.
I'll get the other side.
I'm trying to lift this up. It
Yeah.
doesn't work.
Oh my god.
It's a fucking piano note, and it's not gonna like. How heavy do you think they are?
I'll watch out, let me try and lift it up.
I'm having fun then.
You can have fun when it's up.
I want to have fun when it's up. I like having it fun when it's soft. When you squat, you're meant to have your back straight. I can't.
How to lift with hell on earth.
Move over, move over. We'll do it as a team. Are you ready?
Back straight, use your legs, not your back.
Oh.
I've cut my finger on some glass.
Oh, you won't have you? Not on. Are you alright?
I'm alright,
Are you okay?
I think.
No, what dog shit?
This is like... Oh, it's just orange.
Dog shit, you fucking weird.
Come on, I'll place
What kind of shit you been feeding your dog?
shit.
I've
Recycling.
been feeding it its own shit.
You only have to feed. You only have to buy one tin dog food that way.
Are you sitting on that chair, Al? Oh,
It's a crime scene.
holy shit, is that crime scene?
The tape over the doorknob.
Shit, it's crime scene tape.
Oh, you've got tape over your mouth and fuck you.
There you go, Al, that's a good thumbnail. What?
On this week's episode, we find whole milk bottle. I just thought that would be. This is like abandoned now, isn't it? It's turning into abandoned.
What?
Oh no, slow down.
Is there some fucking like drugs in this place or something? Because it's like we're fucking high.
This week's episode, we reenact Pirates of the Caribbean scene with bathtub.
Right, I'm gonna depart.
Alright.
I'm out.
Solo mission now, solo mission.
Oh please.
I'm faster without him.
Well, it wasn't as knackered as I was expecting. I mean, it was knackered, but it wasn't
in
as
there,
boring as I was expecting.
Oh yeah, we did go in
Yeah,
there.
we did.
I lied to you. Anyway, oh thanks Al.
Don't forget the bubbles as
Keep
well.
the
You've
hair
gotta
in
keep your
check. Keep
tidy.
the hair in check. And on that bombshell, yeah, we've been at this hotel that we can't pronounce. We've seen views that we cannot describe, and we're going elsewhere.
Are you? Have you been taking poet pills, not?
No, there's a
You're
lot
getting
of
very
books.
good with your words lately.
No, I've just sobered up.
Lately. Lately.
Right, we're on low battery.
Right, we're on low battery.
Right, we've got to go. See
We're
you later.
going. If you want merch,
Hurry.
upthehood.com, social media, it'll be somewhere.